At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, from uno look on my screen, uno know what time it is. Like, seriously. Yeah? And guess what now? Only nationwide I run with Lawrence Rowe. Just notice, if uno even go and check the media, no other else news media, no other else traditional media running with this Lawrence Rowe and his bullshit. My wisdom warriors, yeah? According to Nationwide, yeah? They are saying that the former PNP caretaker for Central Kingston, Lawrence Rowe, has written Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake, raising concern about his personal safety amid his public spat with the People's National Party. Rowe was booted from representing the constituency on the weekend. It's understood that Rowe's letter was sent to Commissioner Blake on Wednesday. My wisdom warriors, you see all them something you know? Lawrence Rowe, yeah? You come out, PNP explain to you, yeah, that you're not fit. PNP already explained to you that you're not fit, brother. Mark Golden still go all time away and say, I'm going to give you a chance. Even though the integrity committee find you not fit, Mark Golden still go against them and I help you youth. And I help you in a youth. Yeah? And say, give you a chance. You say, why? Sorry for Marga dog tongue run bite you because they not get them where? You see my wisdom warriors? Remember, in the end, him still never fit. Indeed, he still wasn't fit. The people them in a Central Kingston now want you there. Clearly you can see that. You know, see the turnout for Steve McGregor. Yeah? And true, because Mark Golden no, obviously the people them don't want you. So then say you have to go. True, you not get your way, Lawrence. True, you not get your way. You come out. You fabricate stories. Yeah? You say how them promise you 15 million. And you now sell out the people them. You go on Nationwide news. You discredit PNP. You this, you that. You talk one bag of something. You all end up go over Belmont. Go look job over Andrew. My wisdom warriors, you go over Belmont and take application form for fill out. So me here, him do all of this. And when him do all of it, and he say, nobody still not the his side. The only person them with the his side is Labour right. You know why Labour right the his side? Because him drag your PNP. So the Labour right them use him, to help drag down PNP. Hey Lawrence, yeah, you really not no sense, brother. You make a fool out of yourself. You make a fool out of yourself. If people them at Central Kingston don't want you. And this boy gonna make a fool out of himself. My wisdom warriors, all of that wasn't enough. He's saying, he's still losing. He's still losing. And everybody else up on the winning side. Look what I'm going to do, my wisdom warriors. He gonna tell lie now. Pan the PNP, because we know see a liar tell. We know see a liar tell. But police protection. Police protection from who? Who are going to do something? PNP are going to do something? You see that boy, man. You see that boy? You know say, a God make them expose you. A God, a God do it in my wisdom warriors. A God do it. Because look, we never know say he was like that, did it? he became so bitter. And so the whole of them stay, you know. Venetia, she are the first one. Not even really say the first one, but Venetia the one will go out and she get bitter. Then you have Karen Cross, bitter. The whole of them just get bitter. Just because them not get them own way. You can't live like that. If you live like that, you will never reach far in a life. Like seriously, Lawrence, I am so disappointed in you. Why would you go on a right to commission? A friend, he might look, you know. He might look friend. Guess what now? They want to set the JLP, you know, up on the PNP. Listen, everybody knows that Jamaica Labour Party are the #1 criminal in a Jamaica. Everybody know that. And I'm not hide. Even the Labour right them know. That's why they come and threaten the PNP all the time. That's why they threaten PNP all the time. You understand? You see all the whole of them must shoot him, them what happen. And then a PNP area, a Labour right them glad. Then come, hey, me have the whole of the screenshot them. Me have everything. You see every comment on a comment. Yeah? Oh no, man. Me have everything on file. Me not lose nothing. Me keep everything on file. Cause me know how to stay, you know. So I make sure I have proof of everything. That's why you always hear me talk about Barbara, you know. You always hear me talk about Barbara. And I say, the Labour right them, threaten the Gleaner. Labour right. The amount of threat them sent to Gleaner, all underneath the comment section. And when Barbara dead, at that time in Labour right, then stop sending threat. I have screenshot. Yeah? At that time. Remember, say, whole of they attack Gleaner, you know. Remember, say, Gleaner come out, you know. And the whole of they attack Gleaner, you know. The whole of Labour right, you know. And when Barbara dead, not one of uno, the whole of uno move away. Nobody now comment or nothing. Me watch you look dirty blouse and skirt. I go like una somebody. And you see me not stop say it. Justice for Barbara. Because I believe someone bigger and higher up there is behind Barbara killing. Whether you don't like it, yes or no. But I strongly believe that. You hear me? I strongly believe that was a contract killing. But no worry. Justice will be served. All if it take 20 years, justice will be served. Because that lady never deserved to die like that. Never, my wisdom warriors. Never. Anyway. So, Lawrence now think him full of style. And when I really check it out, this boy, him not like Jamaican people. Lawrence, you, I want to tag him for me. Tag him. Lawrence Rowe, you see, you not care about the Jamaican people. And you not care about no PNP supporters. You're liar. If you did care about PNP supporters, all when they kick you out, you're not going to behave like that. You're not going to behave like that. You're just in it for money. Yeah, you're just in it for money. You come out and talk about, oh, you know, sell out to people. Move your dirty blouse and skirt. Come on you, boy, you not sell out people. Come on you. You don't sell out the PNP supporters already. Me not even talk about the opposition. You don't sell out the PNP supporters. You say you sit down with them all the time. And you not get your way. Yeah, you run, gone, left them. And you gone drag the PNP. What you think? I only Mark Golding alone you drag the whole PNP. Say, hey boy, go! You fool boy. You idiot. But you gonna write letter. The whole of no plan up, no plan up for discredit PNP. Me see Cliff Hughes come out and talk about hush money scandal. Hush money scandal. 15 million we never touch. How you have to call that scandal and the money not touch? And number one, it's not taxpayer money. It's not taxpayer money. So what is the big deal? You guys don't have nothing upon Marky G. And wanna try no hardest for bring down the man. Cliff Hughes, how you sleep at night time? For no say Marky G is not like what uno out there say. For no say Marky G is not that type of person, Cliff Hughes. And uno sit down Cliff Hughes. And drag Mark Golding. And you feel good and you sleep good at night time. You see God? You see God? I remember, other day when earthquake come, the first person you call upon is Jesus. The first person you call upon is Jesus. But you're out here spreading propaganda. Spreading propaganda. My wisdom warriors, let me show you something more. When me see Cliff use though. I tell us that brother you want. Dangerous brother. Look at this. My wisdom warriors, I want to know follow through. I just something me a point out to you, yeah? Can me talk about this yesterday, yeah? But me just a point out something when me see nationwide them do. Look at this. Them right, Golden threatened to pull PNP from CRC. Opposition leader Mark Golding has threatened to withdraw his caucus from the just convened Constitutional Reform Joint Select Committee of Parliament if the Prime Minister does not address the matter of Jamaica Final Appellate Court. You see they explain that the part there? Alright. The committee, which was established to review the proposed legislation to remove the British monarch as head of state, held its first sitting on Wednesday. In a rare move, the opposition leader not only sat in on the committee, but delivered his ultimatum through his opening remarks at the inaugural meeting. My wisdom warriors, yeah? My wisdom warriors. The way how they make it look like, say, Mark Golding no want to remove the king. And it's not like that. Mark Golding said, remove the British monarch and remove the British court. What is the point of keeping and holding on to Privy Council when Uno got republic, when Jamaica got republic, people were in a prison of a fine millions of dollars just for a case with Privy Council. Millions of dollars. Poor people, Poor people. When poor people are going to get millions of dollars. Remember, so we already have the Caribbean Court of Justice. Remember Jamaica. Me tell you all the time. Yeah? This is just a reminder. The government of Jamaica already pay off 25 million to the CCJ. But we're not using the court. You see? That's what I try to show you. So, Andrew Wallace just hold the Jamaican people in a bondage. Because we already paid 25 million already to the CCJ court for use it, which everybody have to do that, my wisdom warriors. It's not only Jamaica. Every Caribbean country have to do that. They have to put something towards it. Them clear for them one and everything. And then use the court. It don't make no sense. It just don't make no sense. And then you have poor people now, the youth them now. Yeah? In a prison. Where them are going to find millions of dollars. Plus, on top of it, we have to find visa. Like, hello? What is going on? And that Mark Golding I try to explain to them. Mark Golding say, fully decolonize the Jamaican people. And that Mark Golding say, why Andrew Holness want hold on? Why Andrew Holness not hold on? But when it come to PNP, them not go in detail. As a nationwide move, they not go in detail. But when it come to Andrew Holness, they go line by line. My wisdom warriors, me just did one point out this. That's all. But Andrew Holness do not want to decolonize the people. He doesn't. You know, see the man, yeah, the reporter man from England need to ask Edmund Bartley about it. Why you not fully decolonize the people? And that man asks him. Boy, me no know Jamaica. Me no know. It's sticky. So, you see these news media will come out and spread and do the right thing. Because they know so Jamaican people not understand fully. So, explain in detail. Just like when they put up Andrew Wallace and them explain in details to make Andrew look good. Do the same for PNP. Because you know say PNP mean Jamaican well. You know say Mark Golding mean Jamaican well. Nationwide, Cliff Hughes, you know that. You know that. I know me no hear her come out and talk about Delroy Williams, Me no hear her talk about the former mayor, Me no hear her talk about it. Una keep quiet. But if that was PNP, una have interviews, pantapa interviews. You see? Una is a dirty wretch. Una is a wretch. My wisdom warriors, hear this.
The 4 municipal corporations in question are St. Anne, Portmore, St. Catherine, as well as Kingston and St. Andrew. In this instance, the Auditor General was looking at the payment vouchers under the Municipal Social Assistance Program. During the 2020 to 2021 and 2023 to 2024 periods, the St. Anne Municipal Corporation reported $26.6 million in expenditure under the program. $8.4 million could not be verified. At the Portmore Municipal Corporation, from April 2020 to March 2024, there was $22 million in expenditure. $7.2 million could not be verified. For the same period over in St. Catherine, of the $125.5 million in expenditure reported, the authorities were unable to verify $52 million. And at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, 239 vouchers valuing $13.3 million could not be verified due to missing documentation. In the meantime, the Auditor General pointed out there were also inconsistencies in the indigent housing component of the Municipal Social Assistance Program. Between June 2018 and August 2022, the local government ministry disbursed $63.3 million to the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation for 10 projects. Records and reports showed 4 houses built at a cost of $30.3 million. These houses were for 2 fire victims and 2 registered indigents. The Auditor General could not determine the beneficiaries of the remaining $33 million worth of houses. Similarly, the Auditor General could not determine if the basic requirement established by the parent ministry were met, as the names and social reports of beneficiaries were not presented. In response to these issues, the local government ministry said it would strengthen oversight by ensuring municipal corporations provide reports on the program by the 15th of each month. The Municipal Social Assistance Program was designed to help people below the poverty line. It has 4 social components: social and indigent housing, as well as education and funeral grants.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear that though? Wanna hear? And you not hear mouthpiece I talk about this, you know. You see, these are the things that make the Jamaican people know and see what go on. Make your fans them know. But he not show the Jamaican people these things. You see, why them have to pack up and lift up out of House of Parliament? Just wait till Mark Golden win. Uno have to lift up. Uno have to lift up and shut down all them news media foolishness. Because uno not doing it for the people. You say if you not do it for the people, yes. You understand? If you not do it for the people, it hurt my heart, you know, my wisdom warriors. Sometimes you see some people come on and chat some shit, you know. You see now, sometimes when them comment, you know, me used to cuss them, you know. But me stop. Me start to encourage them. Sometimes me even text them and say, please get some knowledge. You know? And me put a link there. Because me want them to understand what is going on. Because I realize that the cussing now work. Make them one cuss me now in the comment section. You get me? Me just lead them to the link. You understand? I'm sure no say. Then we click on that link. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me how you feel about all of this and put your opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Look on Tofisha. Just take a look at Tofisha. Look, everything she in her. Everything she in her. No wonder why you see from what year she did a jump up and a cuss I see. The Integrity Commission has dismissed criticism raised by Minister of State in the National Security, Juliet Cockburn-Flynn, regarding the request for salary information about her husband as part of her statutory declaration filing, labeling them as misguided. Cockburn-Flynn questioned the move in on post. You see this girl? All this girl, you know hear she awa? You know hear she awa? Minister of Security. This a girl ya minister. What she a do? What are you doing? You will want everybody to have abortion. What is this woman doing, my wisdom warriors? She's not doing anything. She's not doing anything for Jamaica. Why is she Minister of State? What the ratted walla go on here, sir? She a represent we and she a racist? No, sir. I wonder if the other, you know me I got tag CNN News. Me I got tag them in a Fox News, BBC News. This woman, is Minister of State in the National Security. This woman. And she's a racist. A racist, you know. You see tough face, you ugly now. Wow. You know see her? Racist. Racist girl this. And she should have known better. We claim so she run for Jamaica and never win a race yet. She. We claim so she run for Jamaica. She should have known better. She should have known better. My wisdom warriors, all of them a take set per IC, you know. Because them things the IC a push over. Because Andrew Wallace make them feel like that. But uno stay there, man. Hold on no wings so clip one by one. My people, uno like and share out this video. Subscribe to my channel. Remember, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, if you're here watching and you never subscribe yet, it is free to subscribe. All you have to do is press that bell. Turn on your post notification. So as I drop the video them, you get them straight away. Blessings upon blessings. One love.